understand the Diagnostic X-ray Tube, including the line focus, dual focus, and rotating anode designs simplified for radiology students. 1. Diagnostic X-ray Tubes. Overview. Anode 40. A diagnostic X-ray tube is designed to produce clear, high-quality images in the shortest possible time. It should ideally act as a point source to give sharp pictures, minimize exposure time, and increase X-ray intensity, not by raising voltage, but by increasing tube current. 2. Line focus, Goetze-focus. Tube, 40-20. In early X-ray tubes, the anode surface was inclined at 45 degrees. But in the line focus tube, the anode angle is reduced to about 16 degrees. This design decreases the effective focal area, allowing higher heat loading on the target, which means it can handle more energy without damage. Here, the electron beam hits the anode at an angle, producing a real focal spot equal to 3a squared and an effective focal spot equal to a squared. The smaller effective spot gives sharper image resolution. Dual focus tube, 120 to 150. To meet different imaging needs, most modern diagnostic X-ray tubes use dual focus designs. They have two separate filaments, one for a small focal spot of 1 × 1 millimeter at 200 milliampere, used for fluoroscopy or fine detail imaging, and another for a large focal spot of 2 × 2 millimeters at 500 milliampere, used for higher exposure radiography. Now 4. Rotating anode tube, 150-40. To allow small focal spots with high tube currents, rotating anode tubes were developed. The anode here is a tungsten disc beveled at the rim and rotates at about 3,000 revolutions per minute. It's supported on ball bearings and driven by an induction motor within an evacuated glass cylinder. The filament is placed opposite to the beveled edge. When the electron beam strikes this edge, the focal spot of 2.2 millimeters is distributed over a much larger area, about 1,320 square millimeters. This spreads out the heat, preventing damage and allowing higher intensity X-rays while maintaining a small, sharp focal spot. 5. Summary. To summarize, the line focus tube improves sharpness and heat handling. The dual focus tube offers flexibility for different imaging needs. The rotating anode tube handles high power efficiently while maintaining image clarity. Music fades in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more radiology concepts made simple. Thanks for watching.